My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a Yoga for Men power yoga workout. Follow along in real time. All you need is your body weight, some comfortable clothes, perhaps a mat underneath you, and we can do this anywhere and anytime. Click like and let's get going. Beginning in downward facing dog. Modify as needed. Always use control. We are going to blast your strength, flexibility, mobility, and all of your abilities. Stretch it back into down dog. Let's walk the legs. Covering a lot of ground in a short amount of time, flowing from one exciting pose and exercise to the next. Stretch it back. Open the fingers wide. Getting right down to it. Opening up your back, getting the blood flowing. Oh, that's good. Stretching right down the hamstrings, down the calves. You can always warm up before you do this exercise. And one more time, each side. Stretch it out. Always flowing, always moving. Now inhale forward to plank position, building what we call a vinyasa flow. Always moving through the poses with great strength and precision. Elbows are in. Press the ground away from you. Press your heels back, and you got yourself a beautiful classic plank. As you exhale, pull the abdominals in towards the ribs. Well, no, not towards the ribs. What am I saying? Towards your spine. Spine, baby, spine. So flatten out that stomach. Little rocking forward and back. Loosens up the shoulders, primes the shoulders. One more breath. Beautiful day, isn't it? You like the lake? Didn't even mention that. Now press forward, lower down, called hover pose. Elbows into the ribs. Drop your knees if you need to. Slowly come down. It's a reverse push-up, challenging all those muscles. We come all the way down, extend the legs back. Cobra, elbows into the sides, or press up into upward facing dog. Knees can be down, or lift the knees off the mat. Key points in up dog. Did I call it down as upward facing dog? Squeeze the glutes, protect your lower back. Drop the shoulders, engage your arms. Press into the palms. And you feel the front of your body opening up. Beautiful stretch. Builds a lot of strength. Also helps to avoid injuries. Building that resilient power yoga body with Coach Vigue, right? All right, exhale, lower down. Stretch out that spine, stretch it out, and then press back to downward facing dog. Let's put that together with some little more speed and precision. Vinyasa flow from down dog. Inhale, forward plank, press forward, lower down, cobra or up dog. Stretch it out, stretch it out. Lower down, and then back to down dog. Inhale, bring the right leg up, three-legged dog. Stretch out the shoulders, stretch out the back. Exhale, right foot forward, lunge. You can drop the back knee if you like, or keep the knee off the mat and lift up. Shoulders back and down. Find your focus. Stretching that back leg. Now pull the arms down. Gonna keep moving. Set the hands to the mat. Step back to down dog. Left leg lifts. Stretch. Essential power yoga, hitting all these classic poses. Left foot forward, lunge. Shoulders back and reach. Find that presence in each pose, in each posture. Arms coming down. Vinyasa flow. Step to plank. Forward, down. Building heat in the muscles. Up dog or cobra. Lower. Feel that stretch. And then back to down dog. Right leg lifts. Again, three-legged dog. Bring the right foot forward. Keep the left hand down. Inhale, lift into a lunge twist. Pull that arm all the way back. Ooh, opening the chest and the shoulders. And then the arm comes up and over, down, back to down dog. Inhale, left leg. Practice, practice, practice. Left foot forward, lunge with a twist. And then keep pulling that arm back. Huge stretch for your shoulders and chest all the way down. Arm up. And over, vinyasa flow. How we feeling? Stay with it. It's a thorough workout. Anywhere, anytime. Lower down, and then back to down dog. Walk or jump forward Feet hip width apart, and then reach the arms up, called chair pose. Stool. Shoulders back. Hands can be here as well. Press back into the glutes. Toes are loose. And then exhale, dive down, forward fold, soften the knees. Release the spine. Okay, hands down, step back to plank, vinyasa flow. As if you're moving underwater. Down dog. Walk or hop forward. Bump. Boing. Chair. 3 breaths. Take it in the nose, out the mouth, or in the nose, out the nose. In and flush out the breath. Excellent. Diving down, forward fold. Take 2 breaths. Releasing the spine. And then fingers on the shins or the mat. Draw the shoulders back, called half lift or flat back. Or reach the arms back behind you. Extra breath. Squeeze the breath out of the lungs. Dive down. Back to plank. Vinyasa flow. Let's all meet back at down dog. All right, downward facing dog. Shake out the legs. We're loose. We find the strength through all that looseness in the body. It's mobile, it's flexible, it's durable. Inhale, right leg up, open the hip, bend the knee. We got something really special here. We got a down dog scorpion. Now bring that right foot forward for triangle. Pivot that back foot in slightly, line up the heels, arms out, reach. Take the right hand to the leg or back of the hand to the inside, left arm up. Creating a nice statuesque pose here, strong legs, eyes up to the left hand. Now extend that left arm forward. Huge stretch coming in. Ooh. Stay here or bring that hand all the way down to the mat or the foot or leg. We have a revolving triangle. Right arm comes up. Lots of action right here, right? You feel that? Ooh, somebody's cursing over there. Excellent. Ausgezeichnet. Reaching up, huge twist. Your life will never be the same after power yoga. Do this every day. Practice every day. Build that strong, resilient body. All right, right hand down. Step back, down dog. Get your bearings, stretch it back, and then left leg opens. Could you, okay. The ant blow right there. Open the hip, whoa. Stretch it out, right heel sinking down. And then left foot forward. Let's do some triangle together. Reach. Hand here or back of the hand. Lift up. The visual I always have on this one is that you're squeezing between a door and a screen door. So flatten it out, reaching this arm up. You can also bring it back here for future workouts perhaps. I'm very drab this morning, aren't I? Now extend. One of my favorites, the extended triangle. And stay here, my friend, or come all the way down and revolve. Left leg extending. I'm gonna get a lot of pushback from it. That's good. It means you're in the right spot. Without opposition, you got nothing. Nothing happens. Or arm to the back here. One more breath. Oh, beautiful, my friends. Left hand down, vinyasa flow. Make it one for the ages. Slow it down. Demonstrate that balance, strength all the way through. Lower. Back to down dog. Let's keep moving. Legs are loose. Now hop or walk forward. Gonna come down to a seated position into half boat. One to the next. Feet up, shoulders back and down, arms to the sides. Emphasis in the abdominals. Core building at its finest. Focus. 3 more breaths. If you want more, you have a full boat. Legs out. Keep those shoulders down. Woo! Isn't that a daisy? Shaking. All right, cross the ankles. Step back plank, vinyasa flow. That was so good, we'll probably have to do it again. Down dog. Let's go back. Walk or hop forward. Sit. Half boat. 5 breaths. I'm going to save the full boat for the last breath to make it very dramatic. Right leg? You hear me. Hey, the sun. Yes, the sun is coming out. 1 more breath. Here we go. Very good. Cross the ankles again. Vinyasa flow. Ooh, my mat's moving. Forward, down. There it is. Smooth. Iron out the rough spots. Practice. Up dog. Down. Into down dog. Right leg comes up. Open. Scorpion. Stretch those arms. How you feeling? Feeling good? First time with power yoga. God bless you. It's a whole nother kind of training, but so essential for optimal performance. Right foot forward, warrior position. Line up the heels, bend the front knee, and the right arm comes up. Left hand to the left leg. Reverse warrior. You still there? There you are. Stretch it back. Now arms up. Cactus arms open. And then forearm on the leg, side angle pose. Left arm up. Stretching out your back leg. Get that beautiful stretch. Okay, hands down, back to down dog. Left leg comes up, scorpion. Send the breath into those tight areas. Left foot forward. We have warrior position into reverse. Cap down, sun coming out a bit. I love that. As fall is making its move here in Wisconsin, you see the leaves on the ground. My favorite season in the Midwest. All right, cactus arms. Sun, all right. Here comes the sun. Elbows back, now side angle. Almost there. This is power yoga. Repeat this as much as you want. You want more? Let me know below in the comments. Okay, vinyasa flow, back to plank. Forward, down. Add power yoga to your training no matter what you do, no matter how old or who you are, add it. Lower down, back to down dog. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Walk the legs. Resilient body, adaptable as you go through life. Less injury, less problems, less issues, a better mental state because our body feels loose and strong and capable. I have a 4-year-old son, and these are so essential because I want to be with him all the time. I want to keep up with him. Run, jump, wrestle, crawl. Listen to Weird Al songs, one of his favorites. One more time each side, stretch. Ooh, so that's how it is. Deep stretch. Now walk or jump the feet forward. Forward fold. There we are. Walking the hands side to side. Let me give you a front view. Isn't that exciting? Okay, back to down dog. One last flow. Take the right leg up. One last big flow. You are not going to want to miss this one. Trust me. Right foot forward. We have lunge. Lunge to warrior 3. This one always challenges me. Let's see how you do with it. Take the right foot forward, arms back. Soften the right knee. You can also bring the arms forward. If you're feeling sassy, balance, strength, stability. All right, step the left foot back. Back to lunge. Arms up. Cactus arms, open. Very nice. Very nice. Other side. Hands down, step back. Left leg. Woohoo! Left foot forward. We have lunge. Oh, the sun's out. I feel energized. Okay. Hold the lunge, my friend. Whoop. Or go to warrior 3. Try. Shoulders back. Ooh. Crown of the head forward. Arms up or forward. All right, step it back. Oh, luckily that shirt was tucked in. Arms up, lunge, cactus arms. And let's do one more vinyasa flow. We're gonna slow it down. Gonna use that strength, that power, and that ease. So come on down. No. Step back to plank. Strength, 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 and control. Forward, hover. Practice those hovers. Get that grass out of there. All the way down. Reach the legs back. Cobra or up dog. Almost a little bit better with the sound effects. Almost. Lift, lift, squeeze the glutes. Strong back, ready for anything. And then lower down. So nice. Let's make the journey to downward facing dog. Long stretch, long stretch. Take 2 more breaths. How do you feel? You want more power yoga? Let me know in the comments below. There's always more, my friends, always more goodness. Make our lives so much better. And bring the knees down. Shoulder rolls, brilliant work. If this workout helped, if you feel good or you know it's simmering in there, it's just what you need, click that like button. Helps get it out to many more people. I appreciate that. Subscribe and always click that notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. I appreciate it. Anywhere, anytime, my friends. Getting stronger, more flexible, more mobile, living a better life and influencing those around us to do the same. One more time, lift and lower. Excellent work, my friends. And as always, Coach Vigue will see ya around. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.